Welcome back to AUTOID TV, and today we're going to be fitting this OPF-Back Milltek exhaust system to Sam's Mk8 Gti.
So we haven't actually seen you before. Who are you?
No, you haven't seen me before. By the way, my name's Christian and I'm the new sales guy here at AUTOID.
So if you need any parts, call AUTOID and ask for this bloke.
Yeah, drop me a follow on Instagram.
Yeah, drop and follow AUTOID Christian.
Before we get started, we're just going to show you what the stock system sounds like on this car. No, as you can, it kind of sounds like a bit like Hoover, doesn't it?
Yeah, so it's time to change that out.
Yeah, so we're actually going to run you through the install now. These are all the tools you need. Grab yourself a ratchet, an extension, 13mm spanner and a 13mm socket. Now it's time to jack the car up.
So you've got 2 bolts here, 1, 2, both 13mm, crack them off, and then we're also going to work our way over to the little supporting strut bar here. Another 2 13mm, 1, 2, another there, 1, 2. And then after that, we're literally just going to be dropping the exhaust down off of all the mounts. Now split off here. FYI, this is the standard OPF and the cat is up there. We're literally just installing a system from the OPF-Back. So we're just going to hold out the way the tray rather than removing it for now. Boss, we undo these two. So now we're going to pop off that 13mm to drop the clamp off. So now we're cracking the other 2 13mm off the back box for the mounts. So that's the old exhaust all removed now. Now to transfer all the mounts off of this one onto the new one and get it straight back up in the air. So slide the new tailpipes onto the new back box and get them done up, but leave them pretty loose for now because we're going to adjust them and make sure they all line up properly once they're on the car. So now you want to slide the other part of the centre pipe in, like so, all the way home, and then do that clamp up. Slide the other Jubilee clip over the end of the exhaust, and now we're going to get the exhaust back up in the air and on the car. So now the exhaust is up in the air, we're just going to get that bolt in and get it clamped on. Same again on the other side. So now we're going to slide this in, like so, and you want to pull it all the way in, then get that clamp on, making sure that there's no gaps between the holes in the exhaust. So now we'll get double check and make sure these are all done up lovely and tight and there's no gaps anywhere. Grab out the exhaust tip, throw the Jubilee on the end of it and get it lined up in the centre of the hole before we tighten everything up properly and get these into a good position. Now one tip's on and all secured, repeat the exact same process on the other side. You've got a load of adjustability on how far you want the tip out, how far you want it in. We've gone from quite far out so you can see the Milltek down like that, so it looks a little bit more aggressive. So now the system's fully fitted, it looks amazing, especially with them black Cerakote tips and the lovely Milltek stainless steel back box, looks great. Right,
the exhaust is now all installed. It was pretty easy, it took about an hour. We just checked it over, there's no leaks. Now we're just gonna give it a sound test and then we're gonna go do some flybys. If you like this system, it's also available on our store and we also do in-house fitting. Hope you enjoyed the video. We've actually got a lot more content coming on this Mk8 Gti, so I'll catch you in the next one.
Let's go.